Today, I would like to share 10 particularly noteworthy pocket watches from my collection. Each one caught my attention for a different reason, whether exceptional age, technical achievement, railroad-grade quality, rare materials, or its place in American watchmaking history. I will briefly show each watch and explain what makes it special to me and, I hope, interesting to fellow collectors. First is this 1781 Verge Fusee by John Kent of London, England. I was drawn to it because it dates to the Revolutionary War era. It is the oldest watch in this group by nearly 60 years, and its paired silver cases and early fusee chain movement make it a remarkable survivor of 18th-century horology. Next is a 1906 Waltham Riverside Maximus, model 1899. To me, this represents the pinnacle of Waltham engineering. It has a top-of-the-line 23-jewel movement and is housed in a salesman case with a clear glass back that lets the intricate movement be admired. Third is a 1942 Hamilton 950B Railway Special Model 6. It appealed to me as an elite railroad-grade watch, built to an exceptionally high standard. It features solid gold train gears, an Elinvar anti-magnetic hairspring, and a desirable Montgomery tracking dial, all qualities that help make the 950B one of the great railroad watches. Fourth is this 1905 Rockford Grade 100S is known as the Prince of Wales. I was attracted by its rarity and its luxury materials. Rockford made far fewer watches than Waltham or Elgin, and this special edition combines a premium 21-jewel movement with a 14-karat solid gold case. Next is a 1925 Illinois Sangamo Special, Model 13. What impressed me was its ambitious and advanced engineering. It has an elite 23-jewel movement and a specialized 60-hour motor barrel designed to help prevent a broken mainspring from damaging the delicate gear train. Number 6 is this 1898 Hampton Special Railway, Model 4. It drew me in with both its mechanical quality and its visual presentation. This highly adjusted 23-jewel watch features gold jewel settings and a handsome two-tone decorated movement that was clearly intended to be seen and appreciated. Seventh is a 1926 Waltham Vanguard, Model 1908. Beyond being a premier 23-jewel railroad-grade watch, it has a particularly appealing complication: a gauge showing the status of the mainspring. The small up-and-down subdial on the face shows the remaining power reserve, a feature that is both useful and highly collectible. Number 8 is this 1905 Elgin Grade 214 Veritas, Model 8, represents one of Elgin's premier early 20th century railroad watches. The Veritas was Elgin's top-tier answer to demanding railroad requirements, with a fully adjusted 23-jewel movement. This example is also displayed in a salesman case, allowing the movement to remain visible. The 9th pocket watch is a 1908 Hamilton Grade 946, Model 1. It is a scarce early flagship railroad watch from the company known as the Watch of Railroad Accuracy. Its high-grade 23-jewel movement is especially desirable, and finding one of these early 946 variants in a transparent salesman case makes it even more appealing to enthusiasts. Number 10 is an 1859 Waltham Appleton Tracy Company watch, Model 1857. I was drawn to its pre-Civil War historical importance. Although it has 15 jewels rather than the higher jewel counts of the later railroad watches, its officially marked AT dial makes it a very historic example of early industrialized American watchmaking. Those are 10 watches that stand out in my collection, not simply because they are beautiful, but because each tells a different story. Together, they span from an English Verge Fusee made during the Revolutionary War era to some of the finest American railroad watches of the 20th century. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments which of these 10 watches you would most like to examine more closely in a future video.